Okay, next exercise bandu 5.7 second order derivative. Okay, right. Let y is equal to f of x. Now this function differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, that is equal to what? Dy by dx. That is equal to d by dx of f of x. And d by dx of f of x means what? F dash of x. Right. So next to again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು d2y by dx square. Okay, ಇದು second order derivative. That is equal to d by dx of f dash of x becomes what? F double dash of x. Okay, see second order derivative ಈ ತರ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಎಂದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ y ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ y1 ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ f ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ x ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ d ಆಫ್ y ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇನೆ. dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇನೆ, y dash of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇನೆ, y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇನೆ, f dash of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇನೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ dy ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಈ ತರ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. d2y by dx square is equal to y double dash, okay, equal to y2 equal to f double dash of x ಇಲ್ಲ d2y ಈ ತರ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. This is called second order derivative, right? So ಈ exercise 5.7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 marks important questions ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ. ಸೊ 5 marks ಯಾವ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸು. ಓಕೆ, find the second order derivative of the following functions. Okay, first one, the given function is y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now differentiate. First differentiate with respect to x. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to x square derivative 2x plus 3x derivative 3x derivative 1. Okay, that is equal to 3 into 1 plus derivative of constant becomes 0. And dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So that is equal to, okay, d2y by dx square equal to derivative of 2x becomes 2, x becomes constant, take outside, derivative of x becomes 1, derivative of constant 3 becomes 0. So that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to 2. Second one, y is equal to x raised to 20. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to, what is the x raised to n derivative? N into x raised to n minus 1, that is 20 into x raised to 20 minus 1. So that becomes dy by dx is equal to 20 x raised to 19. Okay, so again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. That becomes what? d2y by dx square equal to 20 into 19 into x raised to 19 minus 1. So that is equal to, so d2y by dx square is equal to 20 into 19, 3800 into x raised to 18. Okay, question number 3. The given function is y is equal to x cos theta cos x. Right, now differentiate with respect to x. That becomes dy by dx is equal to x as it is, and u into v formula, derivative of cos x plus cos x as it is and derivative of the x. Okay, two functions u into v. Now apply u into v formula. That becomes dy by dx is equal to x as it is, derivative of cos x becomes what? Minus sin x plus cos x, derivative of cos x becomes 1. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to minus x sin x plus cos x. So again differentiate with respect to x. again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is equal to d2y by dx square and is equal to, here u into v formula, minus outside x as it is, derivative of sin x, plus sin x as it is, derivative of the x, okay, bracket close, plus derivative of what, cos x. So then d2y by dx square equal to minus x, derivative of sin x becomes what, cos x, plus sin x, derivative of x becomes 1, okay, plus derivative of cos x becomes what, minus sin x. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to minus x into cos x minus sin x and again minus sin x. So that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to minus x cos x minus 2 sin x. Question number 4, y is equal to log x. Differentiate with respect to x, that becomes what, dy by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of log x? You know, derivative of log x becomes 1 by x. So again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that becomes, this is d2y by dx square, d by dx of 1 by x. So you know already d by dx of 1 by x, derivative of 1 by x becomes what? Derivative of 1 by x becomes minus 1 by x square, okay, right. Question number 5, y is equal to x cube log x, okay, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to u into v formula, x cube as it is, derivative of log x plus log x as it is, derivative of x cube, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to x cube, derivative of log x becomes 1 by x plus log x, and derivative of x cube becomes what, 3x square. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1x cancel, that becomes x square plus 3x square into log x, okay. Now again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to x square derivative 2x plus 3 constant, okay. Now x square as it is, derivative of log x plus log x as it is, derivative of x square. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to 2x plus 3 into bracket x square into derivative of log x becomes 1 by x plus log x, derivative of x square becomes 2x, that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to 2x plus 3, okay, here 1x get cancel, okay, x square है तो 1x cancel आगे तो बरी x उड़ीता था, plus right 2x into log x, okay. Next d2y by dx square equal to 2x plus 3x plus 3 2s are 6x into log x. dy by dx is equal to e power x derivative of sin phi x plus sin phi x and derivative of e power x, okay. So next that is equal to dy by dx is equal to e power x, derivative of sin x becomes what, cos 5x into, again by general, derivative of phi x becomes what, 5 plus sin 5x into derivative of e power x becomes e power x, okay. Next dy by dx is equal to, first we will write 5 into e power x cos 5x plus e power x into sin 5x Now again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to y constant take outside, u into v formula, e power x derivative of cos 5x plus cos 5x and derivative of e power x. Okay, so plus e power x and derivative of what, u into v formula again, sin 5x plus sin 5x and derivative of what, e power x. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to 5 into e power x as it is, derivative of cos becomes minus sin 5x. Okay, cos x illa x plus l 5x ada, again derivative of 5 becomes 5x becomes 5 plus cos 5x e power x derivative is e power x. Okay, plus e power x as it is, and derivative of sin becomes cos 5x into 5. Okay, plus sin 5x as it is, e power x derivative is e power x, bracket close. So that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to minus 5 e power x sin 5x plus e power x cos 5x plus 5 e power x cos 5x, okay, plus e power x sin 5x. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to minus 25 e power x sin 5x plus 5 e power x cos 5x plus 5 e power x cos 5x, okay, plus e power x sin x. Okay, so that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to minus 25 e power x sin x, e power x plus e power x sin 5x. So that is equal to minus 24 e power x sin 5x. Okay, plus 5 e power x cos x plus 5 e power cos x becomes what? 10 e power x cos x. Okay, question number 7. Y is equal to e power 6x into cos 3x. Now, derivative with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to u into v formula, that becomes what? E power 6x d by dx of what? Cos 3x plus cos 3x as it is, d by dx of e power 6x. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to e power 6x, derivative of cos becomes sin 3x, cos 3x becomes sin 3x into derivative of 3x becomes 3 plus cos 3x into e power 6x, derivative is e power 6x into 6. Okay, e power 6x, e power x becomes e power x, again derivative of 6x means 6. Okay, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus 3 e power 6x into sin 3x plus 6 e power 6x into cos 3x. Okay, now again differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx equal to minus 3, once again write this one, minus 3 e power 6x into sin 3x plus 6. Okay, so ingandre ಏನು ನೋಡು, y na e power 6x plus 3 cos x under y. Can I replace that is equal to y? Now again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to minus 3 constant take outside. Now apply u into v formula, e power 6x and derivative of sine 3x, okay, and sine 3x derivative of what, e power 6x, okay, plus 6 constant and dy by dx, that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to minus 3 e power 6x as it is. Derivative of sine 3x becomes cos 3x into 3 plus sine 3x as it is. Derivative of e power 6x becomes e power 6x into 6 plus 6 dy by dx already found out, replace that one dy by dx, okay, here dy by dx is equal to minus 3 e power 6x sin 3x plus 6 e power 6x cos 3x. Next, that is equal to minus 3 into 3 minus 9 e power 6x into cos 3x, okay, plus into minus, plus into minus into plus becomes minus, 6 3 is 18 e power 6x into sin 3x minus 6 3 is 18 e power 6x into sin 3x, 6 is 36 e power 6x into cos 3x, okay. Same term ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, cos 3x plus 36 e power cos 6, okay, so that is equal to minus 9 plus 36 becomes what, 27 e power 6x into cos 3x minus 18 minus 18 minus 36 e power 6x into sin 3x d2y by dx square. Okay, question number 8, y is equal to tan inverse x, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to what is the derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. Then dy by dx is equal to, can I write this one becomes 1 plus x square raised to minus 1, okay. Now again differentiate with respect to x, d2y by dx square equal to d by dx of what, 1 plus x square raised to minus 1, okay na? So x raised to n derivative becomes what, n into 1 plus x square raised to n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, okay. X raised to n formula derivative, x raised to n ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, x raised to n ಇಲ್ಲ, in the place of x raised to n ಏನಿದೆ, 1 plus x square ಇದೆ, by again chain rule derivative that one, okay. So that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 into 1 plus x square, minus 1 becomes minus 2, derivative of 1 becomes 0, derivative of x square becomes 2x, so that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to, can I write 0 plus 2x becomes 2x into minus 1 minus 2x, okay. Take this term denominator, that becomes what, 1 plus x square raised to plus minus 2 ಇದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, okay. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೈ u by v ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ y is equal to log of log x, now differentiate with respect to x is equal to dy by dx is equal to derivative of log x becomes what, 1 by log x, okay na? Right, so again derivative of log x by chain rule, okay. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 by log x, derivative of log x becomes what, 1 by x, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 by x into log x, okay, right. Now derivative of 1 by x, what, derivative of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square, okay. So ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ u by v ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So again differentiate with respect to x, d2y by dx square is equal to 1 by x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, 1 by x derivative is what, minus 1 by x log x whole square, okay. 1 by x ಇಲ್ಲ, x place ಏನಿದೆ, by again chain rule derivative ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, derivative of what, x log x, x ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, x ಇಲ್ಲ, x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಏನದ x log x ಅದ. ಬೈ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ x log x. ಓಕೆ, next that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 by x square log x square. Okay, now u into v formula, x as it is derivative of log x, okay, plus log x as it is derivative of the x. Next that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 by x square into log x square into bracket x derivative of log x becomes 1 by x plus log x derivative of x becomes 1. Okay, right. Next that is equal to, here x get cancelled and d2y by dx square is equal to minus 1 by x square log x square into 1 plus log x. Okay, question number 10. Differentiate with respect to x, that becomes dy by dx. What is the derivative of sin x? Sin x becomes cos log x. Okay, sin x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, x ಇಲ್ಲ, x place log x ಅದ. Again by chain rule derivative of what? Log x. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to what? Cos log x. Derivative of log x becomes 1 by x, right? Now again differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to d2y by dx square. Now apply u by v formula. U by v is equal to formula ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, derivative of u by v equal to u as it is dv by dx minus v as it is du by dx divided by v square. Okay, so that is equal to x as it is derivative of cos log x and minus cos log x as it is derivative of the x divided by x square. Okay, now that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to x as it is derivative of cos becomes minus sin log x. Okay, by chain rule again derivative of log x derivative becomes what? 1 by x minus cos log x derivative of x becomes what? 1 divided by x square. Okay, this x cancel agutta. So then d2y by dx square equal to minus sin log x minus cos log x divided by x square. Question number 11. So illinda 5 marks question important. Okay na? So right, illinda practice madri. Question number 11, y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Prove that d2y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Okay, right. So differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 5 constant take outside, derivative of cos x becomes what? Minus sin x, and minus 3 derivative of sin x becomes cos x. That is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. Okay, now again differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to minus 5 sin x becomes what? Cos x. Derivative of sin x becomes cos x minus cos. Okay, minus 3 cos x derivative becomes what? Minus sin x. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to minus 5 cos x minus minus plus 3 sin x. Okay, this whole term take this side, that becomes d2y by dx square. Okay, this minus becomes plus 5 cos x minus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, y is equal to, right, 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, that is equal to d2y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Question number 12, if y is equal to cos inverse x, find d2y by dx square in terms of y. Okay, so derivative ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? in terms of y ದಾಗ ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay, right. So that is equal to y is equal to ಏನದ? cos inverse x. Then x is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x is equal to cos y. So first ಈ ಥರ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Now differentiate with respect to x, that becomes dy by dx is equal to cos inverse x derivative is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ cos inverse x derivative. then dy by dx is equal to 1 by minus 1 by root 1 minus x andrenu cos y, that is equal to cos square y. So that is equal to, so minus 1 by root of 1 minus cos square y becomes what? 1 by root of 1 minus cos square becomes sin square y. So that is equal to minus 1 by root sin square means sin y. Okay, then 1 by sin becomes what? Cosec minus cosec y, right? And now dy by dx is equal to minus cosec y, and next again differentiate with respect to x, dy by d2y by dx square equal to, okay, derivative of cosec x becomes minus cosec y into cot y. Okay, bracket close. Now cosec x ಅಂತ with respect to x ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, y ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು dy by dx. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to minus minus plus cosec y into cot y. What is dy by dx? dy by dx already find out ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? minus cosec y. Okay, so that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to minus cosec y into cosec y becomes what? Cosec square y into cot y. Okay, now question number 13. If y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0. So y2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೇಳಿ ನಾನು d2y by dx square, y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು dy by dx. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನದ ನೋಡು. ಸೊ y equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Now differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to 3 cos x derivative becomes what? Minus sin log x. Cos x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, cos x ಇಲ್ಲ, x plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ log x ಅದ, by chain rule again derivative of log x becomes what? 1 by x plus 4 constant, derivative of sin becomes what? Cos log x, and derivative of log x becomes 1 by x. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus 3 sin log x divided by x plus 4 cos log x divided by x. Now take the LCM. dy by dx is equal to, okay, x minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. x multiple ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x into dy by dx equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Now again differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x as it is, okay na, d by dx of dy by dx plus dy by dx as it is d by dx of x, okay, u into v formula, that is equal to minus 3, derivative of sin becomes what? Cos log x, and derivative of by chain rule again derivative of log x becomes 1 by x plus 4, derivative of cos becomes minus sin log x, and derivative of log x becomes what? 1 by x. Okay, now that is equal to x, this is d2y by dx square plus derivative of x becomes 1, only dy by dx is equal to minus 3 cos log x divided by x minus 4 sin log x divided by x. Okay, so again take LCM x, and x is multiplied by, and this side x into x d2y by dx square plus dy by dx, okay, is equal to minus 3 cos log x minus 4 sin log x. Okay, next that is equal to, so that is equal to so multiple by x, x into x, x square. Now d2y by dx square becomes what? y2 plus x dy by dx becomes what? y1. Okay, take this side plus 3 cos log x. Okay, take this side, minus becomes plus 4 sin log x is equal to 0. Okay, so already know what is y. Y equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin x. So this value replaced by y, x square y2 plus x y1 plus y equal to 0. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಸೊ 13 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. 13 ಇಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಇಫ್ y is equal to a into e power mx plus b into e power nx, show that d2y by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus m into ny equal to 0. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ನಾವು y is equal to ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? a into e power mx plus b into e power nx. Now differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to e constant and derivative of e power mx becomes e power mx. Okay na? So e power x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, x ಇಲ್ಲ. So again by chain rule derivative of what? mx. Okay, next plus b constant take outside, e power nx derivative is e power nx. By chain rule again derivative of nx. Okay na? Right. So that is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? dy by dx is equal to a into e power mx. Okay, derivative of m is a constant, take outside, derivative of x becomes 1. Okay, so m. Next plus b into e power nx is e power nx and derivative of nx becomes what? n. Okay, then dy by dx is equal to okay, right, a into m e power mx plus b into n e power nx. So right, so this is the dy by dx. Next again differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is equal to d2y by dx square. So a and m are constant, take outside, derivative of e power mx is e power mx. So again derivative of mx becomes m. So already ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. p n is a constant, e power nx is e power nx, again derivative of nx becomes n. So that is equal to, and d2y by dx square equal to a into m becomes m square e power mx plus b into n n square e power nx. Okay, right. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. ಟೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನೋಡಿ d2y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m into n into y. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. ಸೊ d2y by dx ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬರೀ ಇದನ್ನು a m ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ e power mx. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ b n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ e power nx. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ m plus n. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to a m e power mx plus b n e power nx. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದ? m ಇಂಟು n y ಅಂತದ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ y? y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡು, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a ಇಂಟು e ರೇಸ್ ಟು mx ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಇಂಟು e ರೇಸ್ ಟು nx. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, a ಇಂಟು m ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ e ಪವರ್ mx ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಇಂಟು n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ e ಪವರ್ nx. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ, ಮೈನಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? m ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ a ಇಂಟು m ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ e ಪವರ್ mx. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಅಗೇನ್ b ಇಂಟು m ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ e ಪವರ್ nx. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ n multiple ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು a into mn e power mx. Okay, plus into minus becomes minus b into n square ನೋಡು b into n square e power nx. Okay, plus mn multiple a into mn e power mx plus b into mn e power nx. Okay, right. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು a into m square ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದ, ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏನು ಬಂತೇಳ್ರಿ 0. ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 15. If y is equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x. Okay, now show that d2y by dx square is equal to 49y. Okay, now differentiate. dy by dx equal to 500 constant take outside, e power 7x derivative is e power 7x. Again by chain rule 7x derivative becomes what? 7. Okay, plus 600 constant take outside, e power minus 7x derivative e power minus 7x into again derivative of minus 7x becomes minus 7. Okay, right. So dy by dx is equal to, so 500 into 7 into e power 7x. Okay, don't multiply. 600 into minus 7 e power minus 7x. Okay, now again differentiate with respect to x, that becomes d2y by dx square. Now do 500 into 7, this is a constant take outside, 500 into 7, and e power 7x derivative is e power 7x. Again derivative of 7x becomes what? 7 plus 600 constant minus 7 is also constant. Okay, again e power minus 7x derivative is e power minus 7x, and the derivative of minus 7x becomes minus 7x. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to, right, now 500 into 7 7s ಇವಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಒಂದೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 49 e power 7x. Okay, plus 600 into minus 7 into minus 7. Okay, 49 into e power minus 7x. Take d2y by dx square is equal to 49 outside, 49 into what? 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x, bracket close. Now that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to 49. Okay, this value becomes what? Y. Okay. Okay, question number 16. E power y x plus 1 equal to 1. Now e power y becomes what? 1 by x plus 1 agutta. Take this side. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, ಇದು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ನಡೀತದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. E power y becomes what? E power y. Okay, and dy by dx. What is the derivative of 1 by x? 1 by x becomes what? Minus 1 by x square. X plus 1 square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, by chain rule again derivative of x plus 1. Okay, now that is equal to e power y dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square, and derivative of x becomes 1, 1 derivative of 1 becomes 0. Total ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Right, then dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by, take e raised to y this side, e raised to y into 1 plus x whole square. Okay, next that is equal to dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by, okay, e power y ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? 1 by 1 plus x into 1 plus x whole square. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Okay, right. So sorry, minus 1 by 1 plus x. So dy by dx is equal to ಏನು ಉಳಿತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 by 1 plus x ಉಳಿತು. Okay, so again derivative ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so that is equal to d2y by dx square. Okay, right, minus outside derivative of 1 by x becomes what? Minus outside derivative of 1 by x. 1 by x becomes what? 1 by minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, right? So again derivative of 1 plus x, derivative of 1 plus x, 1 by x ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿ, 1 by x ಇಲ್ಲ. So 1 by x ಇಲ್ಲ, x plus it 1 plus x. So that is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದು d2y by dx square. So minus minus becomes plus, plus 1 by 1 plus x square, and derivative of 1 becomes 0, derivative of x becomes 1, 0 plus 1 becomes 1. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ into 1 ಆದರೆ 1 by 1 plus x whole square ಆಯ್ತು. So can I write ನೋಡು d2y by dx square is equal to ನಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದಾ minus 1 by 1 plus x, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, minus 1 square becomes plus 1 divided by what 1 plus x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿತೀನಿ, 1 by 1 plus x whole square ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ d2y by dx square is equal to, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನು minus 1 by 1 plus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, minus 1 by 1 plus x ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ, this becomes dy by dx. Okay, now replace that is equal to dy by dx whole square. Okay, okay, so question number 17 ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಭಾಳ ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಿದೆ, ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನದ tan inverse x whole square ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ dy by dx is equal to ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2x ಅಂದರೆ 2 tan inverse x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, x ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ tan inverse x ಅದ ಬೈ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ tan inverse x. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅದು ಇರಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ವಿಚಾರ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು 2 tan inverse x, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ tan inverse x becomes what 1 by 1 plus x square, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು dy by dx is equal to 2 tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ವೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು dy by dx ಅಂದ್ರೇನು y1. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ dy1 by dx ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು y2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ 2 tan inverse x. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಇಂಟು v ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ dy1 by dx. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು dy1 by dx ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು y2, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ y1 into derivative of what 1 plus x square. ಓಕೆನಾ, u into v ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ನಾವು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ 1 plus x square. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹಿಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ y2. ಓಕೆ, y1. ಸೊ 1 derivative of 1 becomes 0, derivative of x square becomes 2x is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 1 plus x square into y2 plus 0 plus 2x becomes 2x, that is equal to 2x y1 equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so take this term this side. So 1 plus x square into bracket 1 plus x square into y2 plus 2x y1, okay, equal to 2. Right, now ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square becomes what 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x 1 plus x square into y1, okay, is equal to 2. Right, so ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. Example 35, find d2y by dx square if y is equal to x square plus 10x. Okay, y is equal to x square plus 10x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to derivative of x square becomes 2x, derivative of 10x becomes what second square x. Now again differentiate with respect to x again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ d2y by dx square is equal to 2x derivative 2, x derivative 1, constant take outside, derivative x becomes 1. Okay, second square x square derivative becomes what? 2x, 2 sec x, x square and toptin x square illa. Okay na, by chain rule again derivative of sec x. So that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to 2 into 1 becomes 2 plus 2 sec x derivative becomes to sec x into tan x. Okay, now d2y by dx square is equal to 2 plus 2 sec x into sec x becomes secant square x into tan x. Next question number 36, example 36. Okay, if y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x, then prove that d2y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Okay, so easy ada, let the given function y is equal to what? A sin x plus b cos x, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So that is equal to dy by dx is equal to a constant, derivative of sin x becomes cos x, plus b constant, derivative of cos x becomes minus sin x. Next, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to a cos x minus b sin x. Okay, next again differentiate with respect to x, again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Next, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ d2y by dx square equal to a constant, derivative of cos x becomes what? Minus sin x. Next, minus b constant, derivative of sin x becomes what? Cos x. Okay, the whole next d2y by dx square is equal to minus a sin x minus b cos x. Okay, the whole term take this side, that is becomes d2y by dx square plus a sin x plus b cos x equal to 0. Okay, so y is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Now this value replaced by y, that is equal to d2y by dx square plus y equal to 0. So exercise 5.7 the 14 question number ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ, ಟೇಕ್ y equal to ಏನದ 3e power 2x plus 2e power 3x. okay, now differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 3 constant, e power 2x derivative e power 2x, again derivative of 2x becomes 2 plus 2 constant take outside, e power 3x derivative is e power 3x and derivative of 3x becomes 3. okay, now that is equal to dy by dx is equal to 3 to the 6 into e power 2x plus 2 3 the 6 into e power 3x. okay, now again differentiate with respect to x, that is equal to d2y by dx square is equal to 6 into e power 2x derivative becomes e power 2x into 2 plus 6 as it is, e power 3x becomes 3x into 3. So that is equal to d2y by dx square equal to d2y by dx square is equal to 6 2 the 12 e power 2x plus 6 3 the 18 e power 3x. okay, take LHS side, so LHS equal to d2y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y. okay, now LHS equal to so what is d2y by dx square? 12 e power 2x plus 18 e power 3x minus 5 into what is dy by dx, bracket 6 e power 2x plus 6 e power 3x. okay, plus 6y. so what is y value? Y value becomes what? 3 e power 2x plus 2 e power 3x, that is equal to 12 e power 2x plus 18 e power 3x minus 5 6 the 30 e power 2x. Again 5 6 the plus into minus minus 30 e power 3x plus 6 3 the 18 e power 2x plus 6 2 the 12 e power 3x. See, 12 e power 2x plus 18 e power 2x becomes what? 30 e power 2x. Again plus 18 e power 3x, 12 e power 3x becomes what? 30 e power 3x. Okay, minus 30 e power 2x minus 30 e power 3x. Okay, 30 e power 3x, 30 e power 2x, 30 e power 2x ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, equal to 0. Question number 38. If y is equal to sin inverse x, show that 1 minus x square d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು 5 marks ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, so important, so very important. Let y equal to sin inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to derivative of sin inverse becomes what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, right. Now dy by dx becomes what? Can I write y1 is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, take this side, this becomes root of 1 minus x square into y1 equal to 1. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So otherwise squaring on both sides ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ y ಇಂಟು y1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಉಳಿತದೆ ಇಂಟು ಏನು y1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 1. ನಾವು ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದ, ಯು ಇಂಟು ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ y1 square plus y1 square as it is. Okay, and derivative of what? 1 minus x square is equal to, derivative of the constant becomes 0. Okay, so next that is equal to 1 minus x square, y1 square derivative becomes what? 2y1 and okay, 2y1 again derivative of y1 by chain rule, dy1 by dx plus y1 square and derivative of 1 becomes 0, derivative of x square becomes 2x is equal to 0. Okay, so that is equal to, first you write 2y1 into 1 minus x square. Now dy1 by dx is equal to y2, that means d2y by dx square. Okay na, so y2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನೋಡು, 0 minus 2x becomes minus 2x, minus 2x y1 square is equal to 0. Now take common factor 2 and y1, 2y1 common factor, what is the remaining? 1 minus x square into y2. Okay, minus 2 common factor and y1, in remaining in with x y1 is equal to 0. Okay, take this term that side. Okay, 0 by 2y1 becomes 0, that is equal to 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 equal to 0. So 1 minus x square into y2 becomes what? d2y by dx square minus x y1 becomes what? dy by dx equal to 0. Okay, so ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು, ಯಾವುದು ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಈಜಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್.